Masayaw. Drop to number 41. Sumpal-pal na naman. Iba na malaki. Sales, itinuno. Good for 2. Konting sayaw. Going cruise. Forty to shoot. Kung Cayetano. Grabe naman ang going to cruise. Going for 2. Stand by timeout. Olimar susugod. Grabe. Siya na. Sasayaw ng konti. Going to Cayetano. Hindi wala. Put back. Number 20. Very good. So, the big man. Good for 2. Olimar na naman. Nakatalikod. Villanueva naman. Good for 2. Number 12. Long 2. Pass. Number 33. Wala. Ronaldo! Awilan. Number 10. Olimar. Good for 2. Satan. Going for 3. Ibang kay the big man. Going to number 25. Drop to number 33. Number 33. Sing-easy lang yung layup. Number 5, Villanueva. Olimar, susubunin na naman. Wala pa. Going to number 33. To the big man. Nice sila sa Andres. Dalawa. Going to Olimar for 2. 19 seconds. The big man, Ronaldo. Umikot. Nahuli, pasa kay Ronaldo again, put back, talaga puso. Madali na pala yun. San Andres. Yan. Olimar, kaya na naman. Basket down. Alonso, konting sayaw. Drop to. Idol, isang kasugatan ka na. Umikot na naman, tapi ball shot. Inihagis na lang.